Great Falls is one of the most spectacular natural landmarks in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. A labyrinth of trails, paths, and roads lace the 800-acre park, providing hiking, biking, and horseback riding for visitors. The park includes significant archeological sites spanning from approximately 6000 BC to the mid-20th century. Located along the banks of the Potomac River between the states of Virginia and Maryland. It's part of the National Park Service and George Washington Memorial Parkway. Great Falls on the Potomac River plunges 76 feet through a deep gorge. The Potomac River and the unique geological features have shaped the land at Great Falls for millennia. This is a dynamic environment, home to rare plant communities and a variety of wildlife. Great Falls Park is nationally significant as the location of George Washington's Potomac Navigation Company. In 1785, the company began operation to give small barges the opportunity to distribute manufactured goods upstream and raw materials downstream. During the construction of the canal, blasting powder was used to blast through rocks. It's one of the first known examples of blasting powder being used for engineering purposes. 2 wooden canal lock gates were preserved and can be viewed at the Park Visitor Center. The ruins of Matildaville, a small 18th century village associated with the commercial success of the canal, are also visible. Great Falls Park is now part of the National Park Service, celebrating their 100th anniversary this year. The Great Falls and Old Dominion Railroad, and then later its successor, the Washington and Old Dominion Railway, operated an amusement park at the falls between 1906 and 1932. The park had picnic grounds, a dance pavilion, and a carousel at the end of an electric trolley line that started in Washington, D.C.'s Georgetown. Picnic grounds and the Visitors Center still stand, but the carousel was destroyed by a flood caused by Hurricane Agnes. Today, the Great Falls of Potomac stands as a natural wonder, bringing awe and admiration of its power and beauty.